Hey guys, it's Chad here from Titan Outlet, Sioux City. Today we got a 2010 Vermeer Baler, net wrap and 1000 PTO. If you need any more information about this baler or anything else, just give us a call at the Titan Outlet store.
Available now at the Titan Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2010 Vermeer 605SM with 4,047 bales. This baler features a mega tooth pickup with hydraulic lift and dual gauge wheels, along with a Bale Kicker, variable bale chamber and hydraulic bale tensioner, and a Digistar Scale and a Bale Counter. For more information on this Vermeer 605SM, contact our sales team at the Titan Outlet store. To view more equipment videos, check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel.